I like that. All right, so the second cocktail is the Santa's Hat. So it's gonna be a little bit sweeter, or look a lot sweeter. It's got a vanilla frosting rim, the coconut flakes on the end, peppermint stick. You could do kind of like a candy cane if you wanted to as well. So it mimics the color and kind of like furriness of Santa's hat. And I haven't had it yet either. Basically any of these cocktails I haven't had before. So let's go ahead and make this one and see how it is. Topped it off a little bit with the lemon lime. It originally calls for half a cup or 4 ounces, but I just topped it off. I feel like that was a little excessive. So that's delicious, actually. Oh my God. That lemon lime soda really makes this thing pop. It is good. I like this. It's almost like a cherry limeade. It's kind of what I want to get to. It's probably one of my favorites so far. Yeah, it's easy going. I like it. So Santa's hat looks like a Santa's hat, furry, coconut. You don't really get the coconut or the vanilla flavor. It's kind of more of a gimmick, it seems like. But other than that, the rest of the cocktail is really nice.